Hello there my friend and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you and I are going to be talking about blogging tools you can use to make money blogging. We're going to cover the tools I have personally used to grow my blog to a full-time income, stuff that has been just so essential for me in that process. These tools also played a huge role in me having a 10K month last month. So yeah, that is what we're going to be talking about today, all while I'm sitting here just casually chilling on a work day in my pink faux fur collar and my bright silver shirt. Totally normal for someone who works from home. What you don't see is that I'm wearing my husband's sweatpants right now. So if you think about it, I dressed up just for you guys in this YouTube channel. You're welcome. Now let's go ahead and talk about the blogging tools I use. And before we get started, as always, a few quick things. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button. It really helps my channel out. Subscribe if you want to learn more about how to make money blogging. And keep in mind that all the links to all of these tools are down in the description box below. Some of them have free trials, so if you want to check these tools out and use them to grow your own blog, that is the way to go. Now that all that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. Now the first tool I want to tell you about is kind of more like a group of tools. It's basically the tools I've used to create my blog website. That includes Bluehost for my domain and hosting, WordPress, which is my content management system, and the Divi WordPress theme, which is my WordPress theme. So let's take a look at my blog. You can see that it is laid out with a call to action at the top, some more call to actions right here. Got a little testimonial, some pictures and links to posts, and I've got my footer with my social links, and then all these links up here in the navigation with my logo. And this is something that I created with the Divi WordPress theme. I absolutely love this WordPress theme because it comes with a builder called the Divi Builder that allows you to create a really professional looking website. Even if you don't know how to code, you can just drag and drop everything around and arrange it until it looks how you want it to look. Let me actually pull up a blog post I have that talks about how to use the Divi WordPress theme, and I will link this for you too, that way you can check this out. But in this blog post, I show exactly how to use it, and you can kind of see the Divi Builder right here, how it works. Let me zoom in for you. So you just create all the different sections you want. You can insert rows, insert columns, and then it just kind of walks you through the process. And you can see you can insert different things like a button, a contact form, an email opt-in, text, all this different kind of stuff. You just pick what you want, and it's super intuitive. I mean, it pretty much tells you what to do. So right here in this example tutorial blog post, I talk about how you can click image, and then it just says upload an image, and you can create the alt text and all that stuff. So again, super straightforward. Definitely a theme I recommend for WordPress, especially if you don't know how to code, because there are just so many customization possibilities that you're not going to get on a builder like Wix or Weebly or something like that. Now the next tool I want to talk to you about is called Teachable, and this is the tool I use to create and sell my digital products like online courses and masterclasses. This is what it looks like when you go to the Teachable website. You can see that they have a lot of information here, but basically you can create your course. You just upload your content, whether it's video content or text-based content. You can set up the pricing. You can create awesome sales pages. There's just so much you can do with this tool, and you don't have to know how to write code. You don't have to know how to do all this other kind of fancy shit. It's super intuitive and easy to use, and it's definitely something that I would not want to run my business without. So if you're thinking about monetizing your blog with digital products like courses or masterclasses or something else, I would definitely recommend Teachable to you because it just again handles everything from your sales page to setting up your pricing and collecting payments and all that. Now the next tool I want to talk to you about is one of the tools that I was super excited to invest in when I first got it, because it was an investment for me, but I just knew like this was going to be a worthwhile investment. It was going to be something that was really going to help me grow my blog and turn it into a business. So I went ahead and made that investment and never looked back. It is called Leadpages. It is a tool you can use to create landing pages for your blog, and let me tell you, it is super easy to use. I have created this test page over here to kind of show you how it works, but you can see you can just move stuff around, drag and drop. You can add different things. So let's say we want to add another image right here. All you gotta do is drag and drop it over there, and you can customize the buttons. You can customize pretty much everything, and just drag and drop whatever you need right into the page. So if you want to add space right here, if you want to add another button right here, you probably wouldn't want to do that, but if you did, it's just super easy. You can customize the text and the button color right here. So let's say we want to make this red. and change the text. It's just super easy to use. I feel like this is like the 20th time I've said super easy to use in this video, but that is kind of the bottom line with all these tools I'm showing you today. I like them because they are easy to use. When you're running a blog as a business, you don't want to use something that makes your life more difficult. You want to use tools that make your life easier, like the ones I'm talking about today. Now, there are other landing page creation softwares out there, but I just think Leadpages is the best. And I saw someone online the other day say something like, Leadpages is the Bentley of landing pages, or the Rolls-Royce of landing pages, or something like that. Basically, it's just the best of the best, and if you want to create a high converting landing page fast and you want something that's easy to use, whether you are trying to get people to sign up for your webinar or opt in for a lead magnet you're offering, whatever you want to do, Leadpages is the way to go. Now, if you are creating landing pages, that means you also need an email marketing software that you can use to deliver your lead magnets and stay in touch with your email subscribers. That is why the next tool I want to tell you about is ConvertKit. This is a tool I've been using for a long time. Now, I started my blog out using MailChimp, and let me tell you, just for me personally, I did not like it. I did not find it intuitive. I didn't find it kind of natural for a blogger and what bloggers want to accomplish. But with ConvertKit, it's like you can tell all of the functions in there are like super tailored to exactly what professional bloggers would want to do and how we like to use our email marketing software. So I'll take you over here and show you a little bit about how it works. You can send broadcasts, which is just like a one-time email, so like your newsletter that goes out to all your subscribers. You can send sequences, which is pretty much what it sounds like. It's a sequence of emails. So maybe if you have like a free course that drips out over 7 days, or some other kind of sales funnel or sequence that you're wanting to set up, you can set that up here in ConvertKit. And you can also set up automations where you tell ConvertKit, if this happens, then do this. So if someone subscribes to a sequence, go ahead and tag them with this tag. I really recommend going this route instead of using something like MailChimp, because again, I know for me personally, when I switched to ConvertKit, I just sat there like, I should have been using this all along. Like, I shouldn't have just been cheap and gone with the free MailChimp option. I should have just been using this the entire time. Would have made my life a lot easier. Now, the last tool I want to talk to you about is called Boardbooster, and it is a Pinterest automation tool. This ties into getting traffic to your blog. I use Pinterest to drive traffic to my blog, and it has consistently been one of my top, if not my top, sources of traffic. So quick side note there, if your audience is on Pinterest, you need to be pinning your blog post and really prioritizing that as part of your marketing strategy. Now, as far as how Boardbooster works, I'll show you a little bit about it. They have different pinning tools like a scheduler, so you can kind of pre-upload all of your pins and it'll schedule it out for you based on whatever you define. And you can also loop pins, which is basically just like repinning your content, so you don't have to hop onto Pinterest and do it manually and spend like hours per day on it. You can just spend a little bit of time on Pinterest and get massive results using this tool. They also have other really cool stuff you can do, like join tribes, improve your pin quality, which tests your pins for broken links and duplicates and other stuff you don't want. So overall, just something really useful and definitely something that has been a key part of me not only growing my Pinterest following, but also growing my blog traffic. Now, I could do a full video on how to use Boardbooster. If you guys want to see that, definitely comment below and I will add that to my topic list. However, I don't want to sit here and talk to you about how to use this for like an hour today. So let's go ahead and end this video right there. Again, remember that I have all the links for all of these tools in the description box below, so you can definitely check those out and grab some free trials if you want to try them out to grow your own blog. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, because it really helps my channel out, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos about how to make money blogging. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.